Go search keto chocolate pudding on YouTube and you'll find 14 recipes with gelatin blooms, double boiler, xanthan gum, egg yolk tempering, 14 different ingredients, and 45 minutes of work. Forget all that. I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate pudding so creamy and rich, it'll embarrass those recipes. This one only has 6 ingredients, 1 bowl, and takes about 5 minutes. That's it, guys. And here's the twist that makes it work. The secret ingredient isn't gelatin, it isn't gums, it isn't anything weird from a health food store. It's something you already probably have in your fridge right now. Boiled eggs. I know how that sounds, trust me. By the time you see the texture at the end of this video, you're going to want to make this tonight. It's keto, it's ketovore friendly, and if you're doing carnivore-ish, this one is built for you too. All right, 6 ingredients, 1 immersion blender, 5 minutes. Do you remember a few weeks ago when I made the boiled eggs in my 1995 steamer? If you haven't watched that video, go watch it now. It's the laziest way to make them. That's why I always have these eggs on hand, because who doesn't love carnivore pudding? Yum. And before you go, I've got another 5-ingredient carnivore keto dessert that broke my brain when I figured out. It's a no-bake cheesecake. It is so delicious. It is one of my most popular recent videos. Go check it out, and I'll see you in the next one. Under 5 minutes, there you go. And if you're tired of keto recipes that need 15 ingredients and a chemistry degree, hit subscribe, because that's all I make here on this channel. Simple, real food desserts that actually work for people like us in real life. I'm Karen. I'll see you on my next video. Thanks, guys. Take care.